Hi viewers, I am going to do fruit and nut mousse cake. So we will see how the mousse cake is going to be. So we will try it out and see, and after that you tell me whether you like it or not. Right? First thing, to make the fruit and nut mousse cake, I need 150 grams sugar. We'll put the butter 150 grams. Start beating this. You know, butter has to be straight from the fridge. I have got 3 eggs. Can you see? 3 eggs I have got. Slowly I am going to add the eggs, one at a time, till the sugar dissolves. Now we are going to mix the 150 grams of flour, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, pinch of bicarbonate of soda, all that together we sift it. Mix it nicely, the flour, baking powder and the bicarbonate of soda. Vanilla essence. It's a cherry juice I am using. Cherry juice. Beat it together. 1 tablespoon cherry juice. Right, it's enough. Now, I'm going to add some fruits. These fruits, which I have selected today, strawberries. So, strawberries we will add. Either you use strawberries or pineapple, whatever you like, you can use. Whatever fruits you want, you can use it. Few currants, cashew nuts, 30 grams cashew nuts. Currants, of course, if you like, you can use about 30 grams. I kept half to do a few decoration. Which I am going to put into the tray. 6-inch tray, 6-inch diameter round tray. You can use any tray you like, either round tray or a square tray, that's left to you. Now we are going to bake this 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. 40 minutes we will bake and take this cake out. Okay. We bake the cake. Once the cake is baked, we have to cool. At least for about 1.5 to 2 hours, the cake has to get cooled before we start doing any cream, icing or whatever you are going to do. We have to keep at least for 1.5 to 2 hours is the best. Now we are going to make the cream. After we make the cream, we will see how we are going to assemble the cake. Now I am using 2 egg whites. There is no egg yolks, only the egg whites. Beat it very stiff. When it comes very stiff, 60 grams sugar, little by little add. Now we have beaten this and taken. That is the egg white and sugar. We have the whipping cream here. So now I am going to add the whipping cream into this and beat it. I want to use the whole thing. There's no point in keeping a little bit. The whipping cream. Have a little vanilla essence. Now what we are going to do, we'll wait for the cake. Yes, cake is ready and we will see what we are going to do with the cake now. You can see, and it's cooled at least 1.5, at least, but 2 hours. Now I have cut this cake into 2. And I am taking it. Cream. place the cake back again. The balance cream. We use the whipping cream into the stiffly beaten egg whites. It's nice. It's beautiful. Actually, what we have to do is, we have to keep at least for half an hour in the fridge. Today I have used strawberries, but if you like, you can use any fruits I have told you. Whatever fruits in season, you can use. Kept a little currants. I'll use the strawberries here. Put it in the fridge. At least for half an hour we have to keep, and then only decorate it. Bye from me now. Now see my cake. It looks so nice. It's a fruit and nut parfait that I have done. That is the mousse, right? I used to say parfait and mousse and all the rest of it, but it's a mousse that I have done it for you, and it's so nice and delicious. You make this and keep it in the fridge. Either you keep it and take it on the same day in the evening, or the next day, or if not after 2 or 3 days even, no problem. You can have it whenever you want. It's nice for evening tea time, or else after dinner. It's beautiful. It's so nice. It's so tasty. So try it out and see how it comes, because I have used fruits inside the cake also. So whatever fruits you want, pineapple you can use, whatever fruits you want, you can use, lychees you can use, pears, peaches you can use, whatever fruits you like you can use. Now this is here, this is the season. So I have used the strawberries, and you can always use whatever fruits you like and make this pudding, and it's so delicious to have. But you eat a little and don't eat too much, because sweets are not very good and it's not healthy, but give for your children. And of course, when you are over 40, you have to eat a little. Taste it, but eat a little. Try it out and see how it comes, and I will meet you very soon once again, and wait till I come back to you next week, same time. And of course, till I meet you again, bye from me now.